A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Hi children, good morning to everybody. How are you children? Yes, I hope that you are all doing well. Are you ready children? Good. Now, welcome to digital classes, class 2nd English. The unit at the zoo. Okay children, last classes you listened Abhi's story. Do you remember children Abhi's story? Children, do you remember Abhi's story? Okay, good. Once all of you recall Abhi's story. Okay? Nice. Where is the van going children? Yes, the van is going to the zoo. Where are the children now? Where are the children? Good. The children are in the bus. Where is Abhi? Say children, where is Abhi? Good. Abhi is in the van. Where is Abhi? Abhi is in the van. Did Abhi get the seat in the van? Did Abhi get the seat in the van? Yes, Abhi got the seat near his friend. Okay, very good children. Did Abhi take Sweetie with him? Did Abhi take Sweetie with him? Yes, Abhi took Sweetie with him. Are the children looking at the Sweetie in the van? Yes, all of the children are looking at the Sweetie. One of the friend asked Abhi, say children, what is he asked Abhi? Yes, Abhi, what is your kitten name? His friend asked. Abhi, what is kitten name? His friend asked. Abhi said, good. My kitten name is Sweetie. My kitten name is Sweetie. Teacher, listen this. Oh Abhi, your kitten name Sweetie is a nice name. Why you bring the Sweetie with you, Abhi? Teacher asked. What did the teacher ask? The teacher asked, Abhi, Why you bring the sweetie into the van? Tell me children, what Abhi said now? Yes, Abhi said that, teacher, my sweetie not stay at home alone. My sweetie did not stay alone at the home. He said, good. Okay children, what are the children doing in the van? What are the children doing in the van? The children are talking each other. The children are talking each other. Okay, good. Some children are playing Antyakshari with cinema songs. Okay. Some children are looking outside the nature. They are enjoying the nature. Okay. Home. What happened? The van reached the zoo. Where the van driver parked the van? Say children. Good. The van driver parked the van at the parking area. The van driver parked the van at the parking area. Now you say, what did the teacher do now? What did the teacher do now? Good. The teacher asked all the children, get down from the bus one by one in a queue. Okay children? Next, all the children get down from the bus. Now you say children, who is in front of the children there? Say children, who is in front of the children there? Yes, the teacher is in front of the children. The teacher is there in front of the children. Okay? Good children. Children, now get your textbook and open the pages 4 and 5. Okay children? You observe the picture carefully. Children, you observe the picture carefully. Good. Okay, now look at here children. I will show the picture. I will show the picture. Look at the picture children carefully. Observe the picture. Okay. Have you ever visited the zoo? Good. Do you like animals? Children, do you like animals? I like rabbit very much. I like rabbit very much. I like all animals also, but I like more rabbits. What animals do you like children? Very good. You don't give harm to the animals. You don't give harm to the animals. Okay children? You observe the picture children. Good. What are the things you see in the picture? Say children, what are the things you see in the picture? Good. Ice cream. Next, what you observe in the picture? Fruit juice shop. Ticket counter. What are the things you observed in the picture? Say children, what things you see in the picture? Good. Umbrella, ice cream, Xerox, stool, gate. Very good children. Who people you are seeing in the picture? Who people you are seeing in the picture children? Good. Watchman is there. There is a watchman in the picture. Ice cream seller. There is ice cream seller in the picture. Good. Some visitors are there in the picture. What are there in the picture? Who are there in the picture? Yes, some visitors are there in the picture. Children are there in the picture. Good. Why the people are standing in the queue in front of the Jew? Say children. There are so many people are there in front of the Jew. Some people are standing in the queue. Why children? Yes, they are standing in the queue to get the tickets. The people are standing in the queue to get the tickets. Okay, very good. What are the children doing in front of the Jew? What are the children doing in front of the Jew? Good. A girl is there. A girl is buying ice cream. A girl is buying ice cream. Good. Who is there under the umbrella? Say children, who is there under the umbrella? Yes. An old man is there under the umbrella. What is he doing? He is selling ice creams. He is selling ice creams. The girl is buying ice cream. Okay, good. What is there another counter? Good. That is fruit juice counter. That is fruit juice counter. What is the boy doing there? The boy is asking, please give me 1 glass of fruit juice. What is the boy asking? The boy is asking, please give me 1 glass of fruit juice. Okay children? Good. See children, one man is sitting on the stool. Who is he children? Who is he? Good. He is a watchman. What he will do children? What the watchman will do? Yes, he takes the tickets and allow the people or visitors into the zoo. The watchman allow the people into the zoo. Okay children? What animals you see in the picture children? Look at the picture. Observe all of you. Very good. Elephant. There is an elephant in the picture. There is an elephant in the picture. Tiger. Good. There is a tiger in the picture. Lion. There is a lion in the picture. Giraffe. Say children. Giraffe. There is a giraffe in the picture. Zebra. There is a zebra in the picture. Oh, what is that? Snake. There is a snake in the picture. Very good. There is a rabbit in the picture. There is a rabbit in the picture. Camel. There is a camel in the picture. Good children. Oh, what is that? Deer. There is a deer in the picture. Good. Next, what do you see in the picture? Say children, the other animals. What is that? Parrot. Parrot is there. What is the color of the parrot, children? Good. It is in green color. The parrot is in green color. Good, children. What do you see in the picture? Say next, children. What? Good. Monkey. Monkey is there in the picture. Monkey is there in the picture. Very good, children. What actions are going there in the picture? Say, children, what actions are there going in the picture? Did you see Abhi in the picture? Did you see the Abhi in the picture? Yes, good. Where is Abhi in the picture? Where is Abhi, children? Where is Abhi? Good. Abhi is in front of the deer. Abhi is in front of the deer. Abhi is enjoying by looking the all animals. Abhi is enjoying with the animals. Okay, children? Where are all the children? Where are the children? Good. The children are in different places in the zoo. The children are different places in the zoo. What are the children doing in the zoo? Yes, the children are visiting many animals. The children are visiting many animals. They are watching animals and they are looking animals. Okay, they are looking animals. They are enjoying with the animals. Very good, children. What actions are going there? Tell me. Hey, there are some gardeners in the zoo park. What are they doing, children? They are pouring water to the plants. They are pouring water to the plants. Very good. What is the squirrel doing there? Say, children. Yes, squirrel is climbing the tree. Squirrel is climbing the tree. Where is the snake? Where is the snake? The snake is in the tree. The snake is in the tree.
My dear children, now I will show you a chart of animals. Look at the chart, children. Observe carefully. Okay. Have you ever seen these animals? Children, have you ever seen these animals? Okay. Where do you see these animals? Where do you see these animals? Yes, we can see these animals around us. We can see these animals in our village also. We can see these animals around our houses. Okay, children? Do you know these animals? Do you know these animals? Okay. See, children, here. What is this animal? Cow. What is that? Cow. It is very useful to us. Cow is very useful to us. What gives cow? The cow gives milk to us. The cow gives milk to us. Next, what is that, children? Rabbit. What is that? Rabbit. Oh, it is a very small animal. It looks very beautiful. This rabbit looks very beautiful. Next, cat. Okay, we can see this animal in our home. Okay, cat. It drinks milk. It eats rats also. It drinks milk. It eats rats also. Okay, children? Donkey. Where do we see this animal, children? Good. Donkey carries heavy weights. Donkey carries heavy weights. Okay. It can walk a long distance also. It can walk along. Goat. We can see this animal also in our village. Buffalo. This is also very useful animal to us. Camel. Pig. Dog. This is very familiar to us. How it barks, children? It barks bow bow bow. How it barks, children? It barks bow bow bow. Ostrich. Yak. Turkey. Rooster. Parrot. See, children, it is also a bird. It is a beautiful bird. How it looks, children? It is green in color. This parrot is green in color. This parrot beak is red in color. This is green in color. The parrot beak is in red in color. Duck. How it is, children? It is white in color. Duck. Sheep. Okay, children, we can see this animal in a huge number in our village. Sheep. Goose. Horse. Oh, it has a long tail. Horse has a long tail. It runs very fast. Horse runs very fast. Bullock. What is this animal, children? Bullock. Bullock is very useful to the farmer. Bullock is very useful to the farmer. Is it, children? Okay. Now I will say the animals again. You also say with me, children. I will say these animals' names. You also say with me. Cow. Rabbit. Cat. Donkey. Goat. Buffalo. Camel. Pig. Dog. Ostrich. Yak. Turkey. Rooster. Parrot. Duck. Sheep. Goose. Horse. Bullock. See, children, it is rooster. Cockroco. How it says? Cockroco. Rooster. Okay, children, I will show you another chart. Look at this chart, children. Okay. How are these animals? How are these animals? Where do you see these animals, children? Have you ever seen these animals? Where do you see these animals? Okay, we can see these animals in the zoo. Abhi and his classmates went to the zoo. They see all these animals in the zoo. Okay, is it, children? Yes. We can see all these animals in the zoo. Okay, children, where these animals live? Where these animals live? These animals live in the forest. These animals live in the forest. Okay. What do you call these animals, children? These animals are called wild animals. These animals are called wild animals. In last chart, we saw some animals. Dog, cat, goat, fish. What do you call that animals? We call that animals domestic animals. Why, children? They are at our home. They live in our villages. So, they are called domestic animals. But these animals we cannot see around us. We cannot see these animals around us. We can see these animals at the zoo or they live in the forests. We can't see these animals around us. So, these animals are called wild animals. They are danger. Children, never go to these animals. Never go near to these animals. Is it, children? If you go to zoo, you see these animals in a very long distance. Don't go near to them. Okay. Now I will say these animals' names, children. You also say with me. Observe carefully. Okay, children. Fox, chimpanzee, tiger, lion, bear, deer, panther, cheetah, baboon, hippopotamus, leopard, kangaroo, rhinoceros, zebra, elephant, jaguar, raccoon, wolf, giraffe. Okay, children. Once again I will say names of these animals. You also say with me. Fox. Say, children. Chimpanzee, tiger, lion, bear, deer, panther, cheetah, baboon, hippopotamus, leopard, kangaroo, rhinoceros, zebra, elephant, jaguar, raccoon, wolf, giraffe. Okay, children?
Children, all of you interacted very well. I understood that you observed very well. Good children. Now I will show you some animals sound. Okay? Now I will show you some animals sound. You observe carefully, children, and you identify which animal sound it is. Okay, children? You observe, listen carefully. You identify which animal sound it is. Okay, children? Come on, let us see. What is this animal? Cat. Lion. Peacock. Monkey. Dog. Rooster. Duck. Okay, children, after the listening class, you observed the animals sound around your home. Okay? You observed the animals sound, how they are. Okay? Bye, children. We will meet again. Bye bye, children.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.